blockchain news update with Cointelegraph. Our first story today is about Overstock.com. If you don't know him, just think Amazon.com's Stephen Baldwin. They have announced plans to launch a new ICO through the company's majority-owned subsidiary, T0, with a goal to raise $500 million, which is double the record of $262 million set by Filecoin. If, when you think Overstock.com, you have the sudden urge to visit IKEA, you're thinking of the right place. But they're a lot more than an e-commerce and clothing retailer. In 2014, they launched a blockchain-focused division of their company called Medici Ventures. Since then, this branch has been an ever-growing part of Overstock's future. And people are not disappointed in the results. The company saw 2 of their stock prices rise after adding the word blockchain to the title. Beyond that, their stock as a whole has continued to rise and is projected to go even further as people speculate whether they may sell their retail business entirely and become a fully fledged blockchain company. It seems that there are 2 things that might happen. Either Overstock fully transforms its business into a blockchain company and sell their retail business, or Overstock uses their new currency to allow customers to purchase goods online. Either way, this is another step in bringing cryptocurrencies from assets to actual currencies. And now it seems like adding the word blockchain to anything is just a magnet for money these days. And this brings us to our tip of the day. And that is to pay attention to those companies that are implementing blockchain technology in their businesses right now. Because those are the companies that are going to come out ahead in the future when blockchain becomes that universal norm. One of the most important and enticing aspects of cryptocurrencies is the security surrounding them. With this in mind, many are infuriated and in a state of disbelief after Parity Wallet was hacked by white hat hackers, causing 151 wallets to be frozen, with balances totaling 152 million. This has been the second hack this year, and it isn't looking good for Parity. How could this happen? Well, according to a tweet by Parity Technologies, a user exploited an issue and thus removed the library code, as it seems unaware of the consequences. Because the smart contract in the library is immutable, this means that the future is looking somewhat bleak, since the only way to reclaim these funds would be a hard fork of the entire Ethereum network. Since the funds were only frozen and not stolen, it seems that only time will tell. The problem is that these funds are not just individual traders, but also ICOs, which means that many of them could tank due to a lack of ability to pay back investors.